Hope you're having a great day. So, this video is about my DIY for my hair. So, as you can see, I have milk, an egg, avocado, mayo, honey, black castor oil, a spoon, a bowl, and a blender. I'm going to use a spoonful of honey and a nice amount of milk. I didn't measure any. You'll see how I did it in just a minute. I hope you guys like it. Okay, let's get it moving. Okay, so now we're gonna break up the avocado in the blender. Avocado oil helps rejuvenate and moisture the scalp, promotes long, strong, healthy hair growth. Eggs enhance your growth because eggs contain lots of protein. Use only once a month. Black castor oil helps moisturize your roots and scalp to prevent dry hair and promotes growth. Honey regulate and retain moisture and strengthen your hair follicles. Milk helps thicken hair, adding natural shine. If your goal is softer, shinier, smoother feeling hair, mayo is your best friend. Like, perfect match. And let's blend all together, and voila! Hi guys! Yep, it's time to get this going. So yes, I'm wetting my hair through getting all soaking wet to start putting these goody good stuff. My hair look good, but we're about to get it looking better. Okay, so now we're gonna shampoo. Gonna focus on the scalp to get it super clean, so when you put all the good nutrients in, it will take it in. It's very good, the stuff we're putting in our hair, or my hair at the moment. Okay, we're shampooing. Yep, keep shampooing. No conditioning yet, because deep conditioner is the home remedy stuff. So now we're gonna put that all in. I know it's like a lot, but you can even section it if you want and everything. Yep, and rub that in, get it all saturated, and we're gonna put it in a bag or a cap, whatever you have. I just used a bag because I didn't have anything. So now I left it in for like 30 minutes to an hour, and yeah, make sure you wash it in cool water. Cool water, guys, please, when you're rinsing this stuff out, especially with the eggs in it. It will cook in your hair. So cool water, and shampoo it again. You have to shampoo. So yes, I started to shampoo again. But then I didn't show it, but after I shampooed, I did try to wash with conditioner too. I want to still keep it all moisturized and everything. And I did leave some conditioner in afterwards. Just enough to keep it moisturized. So yeah, just rinse all that out. This one looked good. Now here we go for the surprise. Yes, look at that. Guys, you guys need to do this at home. DIYs for hair, they're so good, and you don't have to spend a bunch of money for deep conditioners at the store. We could just use stuff at home and just put things together, anything you have. I'm sure enough you can make something with things you have at home for your hair. There's a lot of good things. Edible things. Yeah, it says edible for hair too. Yay! I know my curls are popping. It looks so good. I was so happy. It felt so soft and thick and everything. So healthy, moisturized, and it was just amazing. And guys, I jumped right onto my next video that will be coming out on Friday. And yeah, so right after this I did that, and you're going to see those popping big girls. So yeah, stay tuned guys. Thank you. Voila.